Hey guys, I'm back with another video here. As you can see, my face right now. Yes, recording on my iPad Air 2. Okay, but I have so many contents like this. I've been recording like that, but I'm just gonna try see which one's better for the toys. So basically, I'm gonna show you my gaming system, my monitor, and some of my figurines actually. So first, let's just begin with my gaming system. So there's a lot of games like right here. It's like it always takes me a solid 5 minutes to find one game because it's just too much. So yeah, so now I have that's my serial controller, that's my camera controller, and that's the one which is included at the bottom there. But then there's one which is charging right there, and that's my actual PS4 attachment, which is gold. And of course you can see my Spider-Man is always to be on the PS4. Spider-Man life, man. Okay, so this is all the steel collections, steel covers. So all of that has games inside, but it's steel, so which always makes everything better. So yeah, all of those are games, and there's another like metallic controller right there, and there's red controller. That's the Xbox One included controller. There's the cam controller, and that's the Halo controller. There's an Oculus Rift and the gold controller on a hand. I don't know why it's on a hand, but now I'm gonna show you my monitor, and then I'm gonna show you some other stuff. So now there's my monitor, and this is my headset. It's big, that's why I like it. See, rocking the mug. I told you I'll be rocking that mug. But not only that, I also had a guinea pigs. See that? I didn't record this, but I didn't upload it. Okay, see those? Those are my guinea pigs. Okay, I'm gonna make another separate video right now after I finish this. So like you can see that's 6, and all that you need is 6. Carnage, the actual guy from Mortal Kombat, Halo, and Assassin's Creed Unity. So now, oh yeah, okay, show you guys. This is Darth Vader from Star Wars. I hate to involve this. Star Wars is life, but he's actually like that's one in real life, and that's the Uncharted 4 one. Yeah, collector's edition. Yeah guys, almost there. Okay. So this is a house, like the chairs, 2 chairs right there. But now I'm gonna show you something else. That's my fish. The fish. And that's like my bed where I sleep. So I sleep. It's not childish at all. This is not childish at all. It's not childish. Don't judge me. Okay, it's not childish at all. This is my water bottle for my game. Oh, why is it not on? Why is it not on? Why is this not on? Okay guys, bye bye, and have a nice day. Peace out.